Kicha. I cook, I eat, and I'm hungry for more. Welcome to Kicha HD. Today I'm making my favorite snack, or rather, should I say, Kerala's all-time favorite snack, Pazham Pori, or banana fritters. Very yummy and easy recipe. So let's get started. First, in a bowl, add 1 cup of flour or maida, 3/4 cup of powdered sugar. You can have half a cup of sugar, but I want mine sweeter because I love sweets. Let's add that. Next, add rice powder. It makes the Pazham Pori crispier. This is a 1/4 cup. Next, add 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of black cumin seeds. It's optional, and half a teaspoon of salt. Mix it with a whisk. Next, I'm adding water. I'm adding 1/4 of water. Mix it until it's lump free. Smooth and lump free. Now you have to keep it aside for about 10 minutes. I've sliced ripe plantain or Pazham with me right here. Now I'm going to take the oil and heat it up so you can fry the Pazham. Frying time! It's best to use coconut oil for more taste. Now let's do it. Dip the banana slice in the batter nicely. Take it out very slowly. Take the second one. Whoa. Now this one will become golden, so you can flip it. Fry till it's golden. But this one is ready. Oh. Our Pazham Pori is ready. Now let's serve. Taste time. This looks so yummy. Can you hear the crunch? So yummy. And my Pazham Pori only costs 5 rupees. I can't stop eating this. If you're watching my channel for the first time, please do subscribe, like and follow in Facebook, YouTube and Twitter to Kicha. Bye! Mwah. 1 cup of flour or maida, 3/4 cup of sugar, powdered sugar, 1/4 cup of rice powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of black cumin seed, that's optional, half a teaspoon of salt. These are sliced ripe plantains or Pazham.